Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can attach a document to your lessons and prompts on Eduaide AI, for example, to make an addition to your lessons and classes to teach your students. So let us guide you through it. So guys, navigate to Eduaide AI, access the lesson building generator, select the lesson builder here, and choose your lesson category and type below and start entering your prompt. Now, before you generate the given lesson, you will see that a paperclip icon in the bottom left corner, giving you the opportunity to attach, for example, class notes or I don't know, PDF documents or Word documents. So simply click into it, locate the file on your device, and give the artificial intelligence, for example, the command to use also the text or the content from the PDF or from the document to include it in the lesson. And after that, you're ready to create your lesson. And let me show you how a lesson like that might look like. Navigate to history and hover your mouse over the given lesson here. Click into these three dots, select load to workspace, and there you go. Now, for example, if you attach the document or PDF, Eduaide AI will include that also and use it as a source, for example. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.